Assalamualaikum everyone. Hello. Annyeonghaseyo. Konnichiwa. Sawadee-ka. Mabuhay. Welcome back to Solo channel. Today we are going to learn Year 1 Phonics. For the alphabets C, K, E, U, and R. Pada hari ini, kita akan belajar phonics tahun 1, bunyi C, K, E, U, dan R. Before that, I would like to recap our previous lessons on the sounds of G, O, C, and K. Can you remember? Let's say it together. Sebelum kita mulakan pelajaran pada hari ini, saya ingin mengimbas kembali pembelajaran kita yang lepas. Bunyi G, O, C dan juga K. Kamu masih ingat bukan? Mari kita bunyikan bersama-sama. The sound of G is G. G. O, O. O. The sound of C is K. K. And the sound of K is, yes, it's similar with C. The sound of K is K. K. Alright, let's proceed with our lesson today. The sounds of CK. K. Repeat after me. Sila ulang. K. 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 Rock, batu. R, O, C, K, K. Together, rock. Again, rock. Clock, jam dinding. C, K. L, O. And C, K, K. Together, clock. Again, clock. The sound of E is E. Repeat after me. Sila ulang. E. Ache, telur. E, ache. Repeat after me. E, ache. Elephant, gajah. E, elephant. Again, E, elephant. For alphabet U, there are two sounds. It can be U. Repeat after me. U. And it can also be A. Repeat after me. A. Unicorn, kuda yang ada tanduk. Unicorn. Repeat after me. Unicorn. Tub mandi. T, U, R, B. Together it makes tub. Again, tub. Mark, cawan yang bertangkai. Repeat after me. M, U, R, and G, G. Mark. Again, mark. And the last one is R. The sound of this alphabet is R. Repeat after me. R. Ring, cincin. R, I, N, G, ing. Together, ring. Again, ring. Rat, tikus. R, A, and T. Together, rat. Again, rat. Alright everyone, it's exercise time. Exercise 1. In this exercise, for every box given, you have to trace the word and write the word at the space provided. Di dalam latihan ini, untuk setiap kotak yang diberikan, anda perlu menekap perkataan di atas dan tulis semula di garisan yang telah disediakan. Example, in the first box, the word given is duck. So you have to trace the letters duck, D-U-C-K, and write it at the space provided below. Contoh, di dalam kotak yang pertama, perkataan yang diberikan adalah duck, itik. Jadi anda perlu menekap huruf-huruf duck, D-U-C-K, dan tulis semula D-U-C-K di atas garisan yang diberikan di bawah. If you cannot print out this worksheet, it's okay. You just have to write the words in your exercise book. Jika anda tidak boleh print bahan ini, tidak mengapa. Anda hanya perlu menyalin semula perkataan di dalam buku tulis anda. You can pause this video to complete this task. Good luck! Anda boleh memberhentikan video ini untuk menyiapkan tugasan. Selamat menjawab! Exercise 2. In this exercise, you have to trace and write the words in your exercise book. It's quite similar with exercise 1. Di dalam latihan kedua ini, anda perlu menekap dan menyalin semula perkataan di dalam buku tulis anda. Ianya sama seperti aktiviti pertama. If you cannot print out, it's okay. Just write the words in your exercise books. Jika anda tidak boleh print bahan ini, tidak mengapa. Anda hanya perlu menyalin perkataan di dalam buku tulis anda. Before that, let's spell the words together. Sebelum itu, mari kita eja bersama-sama. In the first row, bug, pepijat. B-U-G, bug. Next is net. N-E-T, net, jaring. Duck, you remember, right? Itik. D-U-C-K. And the last one, rock, batu, R-O-C-K. In the second row, sun, matahari, S-U-N, sun. Egg, telur, E-G-G, egg. Run, lari, R-U-N, run. Sack, karung, S-A-C-K. In the last row, rock, permaidani, R-U-G, rock. Bed, katil, B-E-D, bed. Nest, sarang burung, N-E-S-T, nest. And the last one, clock, jam dinding, C-L-O-C-K, clock. Alright, have you finished? If yes, let's check the answers together. Exercise 1. These are the answers, and you can ask help from your parents to check your handwriting and also spelling. Ini adalah jawapannya, dan anda boleh meminta tolong daripada ibu dan ayah anda untuk menyemak tulisan dan ejaan anda. Let's read these words together. Mari kita baca perkataan-perkataan ini bersama-sama. We have dog, socks, yang bermaksud stokin-stokin, egg, bug, pepijat, mug, rose, rabbit, arnab, sun, matahari, run, lari, and the last one, nest, sarang burung. Exercise 2. Since we have read these words together during your exercise, you just have to check your handwriting and also your spelling. Memandangkan kita telah baca perkataan-perkataan ini semasa anda menyiapkan latihan kedua, anda hanya perlu menyemak tulisan dan ejaan anda. Well done everyone for your great effort today. I hope you have lots of fun learning phonics with me today, because I do have lots of fun teaching you. And for that, thanks for watching. 감사합니다. 아리가또 고자이마스. ขอบคุณค่ะ Salamat. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next video. Bye. 안녕.